Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and today I'd like to give you a quick sneak preview inside Nadiya's Kitchen by Nadiya Hussain. I haven't read the whole thing yet. I was waiting to look through it with you. Haven't cooked anything out of it. Let's check it out. It's over 100 simple and delicious family recipes. It came out in 2021. She says, "Welcome to my very first cookbook." So it's a reprint because she actually did it in 2016. With hungry little mouths to feed and my own hectic schedule to juggle, I rarely have time to spend hours in the kitchen, much as I'd like to. So I focus on delivering tasty meals quickly. As this is my first book, I've tried to put a little bit of everything in it. You've got over 100 recipes to play with. There's something for any time of day, for all the family, for when everyone's tired and hungry and in need of some warmth and refueling, and for when they've all finally left you in peace and you're craving a sweet reward for your own hard work. Nadiya's Kitchen, photography by Holly Pickering. Michael Joseph is the publisher, and imprint of Penguin Books. There's the family. We're going to check out the table of contents and then jump in to check out some of the recipes. Introduction, lazy Sunday morning, sharing lunch, a little bit of something sweet, snacks and small plates. Who stole the biscuits from the biscuit jar? Tea time, dessert for dinner, dinner date, cozy evenings and midnight feasts. Index and a thanks page. Introduction, talking about her kitchen, lazy Sunday morning, my favorite kind of Sunday mornings. First recipe of the book is Scotch pancakes with a mixed berry and lemon thyme compote. Looks amazing. Then we turn the page and there's croissants before and after with a breakfast halwa croissants recipe. Then skillet crumpets with salted honey butter. So far we have a picture for every recipe. If this holds up, chocolate and hazelnut brioche loaf. Let's check another chapter and see if that continues. She shares pictures of her kids eating her cooking. One wok red onion and bread stir fry. Wow. Full English frittata with smoky baked beans. I'm going to jump ahead because I can't show you the whole book. Griddled halloumi with pomegranate salsa. Sage and squash soup. Candied orange peel with dark and white chocolate. Guava Turkish delight. Aromatic spiced salmon balls. Crispy taco chicken salsa cups. Curried chicken liver pate. My kids would have a no thank you helping. Here she is in the kitchen. Za'atar and lemon palmiers. Here's the biscuit jar chapter, cookies, candied lemon peel cookies. I love lemon cookies. Coconut and strawberry Anzacs. Ovaltime bedtime bickies. More pictures step by step. She's in her kitchen. Ooh, what is that for? Cod and clementine. Dill, fennel, and mussel linguine. Pink peppered steak with sweet potato wedges, blueberry and vanilla clafouti, mango and parsley pavlova, Her Majesty's cake, ooh, parsnip and orange spiced cake, cozy evenings and midnight feasts, buffalo chips with celery sticks, and toasted brioche, maple cream cheese, and strawberries. I hope you enjoyed this sneak preview through Nadiya's Kitchen from Cookbook Divas. Thanks so much for watching.